we will do the Tattva Bodha now. So last class we saw the first verse of the Tattva Bodha. Tattva Bodha, as we know, is a text which gives the details of how we can understand the Upanishads and the Bhagavad Gita in a very stepwise manner. So we'll start with the invocation. Vasudevendra Yogindram Natva Jnanapradam Gurum Mumukṣūnām hitārthāya Tattva Bodho-bhidhīyate. So this is the invocation that we will do in every class. What we have seen so far, the first verse, in that we saw that Sādhanacatuṣṭaya-sampannādhikāriṇā. We saw that this was talking about the adhikari. They are talking about the Anubandha Chatuṣṭayam. That means what is the adhikari? That is, who is the person who is qualified to read this text. That is known as adhikari. So, who is adhikari for this? Sādhanacatuṣṭaya-sampannādhikāriṇā. Sādhanacatuṣṭaya means the four virtues. Chatuṣṭaya is four. So, whoever has the four virtues, the wealth of these four virtues, they are the correct people to read this text. So, we will later go into the details of it. And another thing that was talked about is the phalam or the result. The phalam or the result was said to be moksha sadhana bhutam. That means this text provides a means to the liberation. And tattva viveka prakaram. So what is the subject matter of this text? Subject matter is analysis of the truth. So we are going to present you this text as an analysis of the truth. This is the subject matter of this text, and this is intended for people who have the four virtues that we are going to see now. And then this text is a means to liberation. So that was what was said in the first verse. Now we go into the next part of it. Everything will be broken up in this text. So the student will ask, what is now Sādhanacatuṣṭaya? Like that the student is asking. So that's what we are going to see now. Sādhanacatuṣṭayam-TATTVABODHA-SESSION. So he is asking, what is Sādhanacatuṣṭaya? You mentioned the word Sādhanacatuṣṭaya. Now what is the meaning of Sādhanacatuṣṭaya? That's what he is asking. Kim means what? Sādhanacatuṣṭayam. What is Sādhanacatuṣṭaya? That's what he is asking there. nityānityavastuvivekaḥ. So he is talking about a word called viveka. What is viveka? Very briefly we will know now. And then after that we are going to go deep into it. So what is viveka? Viveka is having discrimination between lasting and unlasting things. That is known as viveka. So what is permanent? What is not permanent? If you know that, first of all, then you will be able to take better actions. You will be able to know, okay, this is not permanent. Why am I wasting my time and energy on that? Like that, you will be able to go in the right direction. That's what they want to point out. So this is known as viveka. Not normal intelligence. Worldly intelligence is not viveka. The discrimination between the lasting and the unlasting things. So the more description of this is given. So we saw Sādhanacatuṣṭayam-TATTVABODHA. So what is Sādhanacatuṣṭaya? nityānityavastuvivekaḥ. So it is the viveka, the discerning between the lasting and the unlasting things. ihāmutrārthaphalabhogavirāgaḥ. It's a combination of certain words here. Here, amutra. Amutra means heaven also. Some people are accumulating the punya and they will be enjoying in heaven. In Bhagavad Gita and Upanishads, we are trying to get to final liberation. We don't even want to go to heaven and enjoy things. We don't want to enjoy things here. We don't even want to go to heaven and enjoy things. So, iha amutra. Amutra means in heaven, those lokas. Thafalabhogavirāgaḥ. Artha means enjoying the fruit, having an attachment or enjoying the fruit. Bhoga. Bhoga is all these bhogas that are there, enjoyments. And bhoga virāgaḥ, like no attachment is there. That is, I am not doing all these things in order to get some fruit with which I can enjoy this world or I can enjoy in heaven. So what is this translated to? ihāmutrārthaphalabhogavirāgaḥ. So no raga, attachment or desire for enjoying the fruit of works, either here or there. There means in other lokas. So this is the meaning of 𝐓𝐀𝐃 So the pala that I am getting by doing some good activities, maybe I do not want to enjoy it. Like that, I do not have an attachment. This is known as vairagya. So first we saw was viveka. nityānityavastuvivekaḥ was talking about viveka, the quality of viveka. That is the first quality in Sādhanacatuṣṭaya. The second is known as vairagya, in which we saw ihāmutrārthaphalabhogavirāgaḥ. That means I don't want to enjoy. I don't have any attachment or desire to enjoy the fruits here or in heaven. And then the third one is this phrase, śamādiṣaṭkasampattiḥ. So here they are talking about Shat Sampatti. Shamaha Adi Shat Sampattihi. Sampattihi means the wealth or the virtues. The virtues you have, which includes Shamaha, Shat Sampatti. There is Shamaha, there are in total 6. Shat means 6. Shama, etc. and Shat Sampattihi. So there is 6 virtues. So this third point we call as a Shat Sampatti. 6 virtues. So it's under 6 virtues. What are they? Shamaha, control of the mind. Damaha, control of the senses. Then Uparamaha. Several meanings are there for Uparamaha, but we will take the meaning now as continued control of the senses and the mind. And Titiksha, patience. Shraddha, faith. Samadhanam, fixation on the goal. So this Shat Sampatti consists of Shamaha, control of the mind, Damaha, control of the senses, Uparamaha, continued control of the senses and the mind, Titiksha, patience, Shraddha, faith, Samadhanam, fixation on the goal. Now the fourth point is mumukṣutvaṃ ceti. They have talked about mumukṣutvaṃ. What is mumukṣutva? Moksha ichcha, and it has to be burning desire. Not okay, I also want moksha, not like that. I only want moksha. I don't want anything else. That is called mumukṣutva. And this is the longing to be free. Desire to get the liberation is known as mumukṣutva. So in total, actually, they have said sādhanacatuṣṭaya. They have said only 4. But in the third point, in Shat Sampatti, they put 6. So totally 9 qualities. So we'll go through that again. First one was nityānityavastuvivekaḥ. In that they talked about viveka, which was discerning between the lasting and the unlasting things. ihāmutrārthaphalabhogavirāgaḥ. In that they talked about vairagya, which is having no desire for enjoying the fruit of the works here or there. Then Shat Sampatti. In that they put 6 qualities. Shamaha, control of the mind. Damaha, control of the senses. Uparamaha, continued control of the senses and the mind. Titiksha, patience. Shraddha, faith. Samadhanam, fixation on the goal. And the fourth point was mumukṣutvaṃ, which is the longing to be free. So we will close here and then we will see in detail. The student will ask, what is this viveka? Like that. So viveka will be explained. Then vairagya. Like that we are going to break up and see the explanations for all these things.